Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, if Google Chrome is not launching, as I am facing this issue when I trying to open the Google Chrome and it's not opening. So if you are facing the same issue, it is crashing or it is not opening. So this video is where I will show you how to fix it. So first step, you need to make sure that the Google Chrome services are stopped in the background. So click anywhere on it and press C on your keyboard and look for Chrome like I have for the Firefox. So once you found the Chrome, you need to end this like so. And in my case, there is no Chrome or Google Chrome running on my Windows. So what you can do is now we can proceed with the next step. Now we need to right click on your Google Chrome. And once you right click on Google Chrome, go to file location, open file location. Now this is the exe. So we need to basically right click on this exe and rename it. First of all, you need to go view and tick the box file and extensions and show hidden devices also. Now we need to right click on it, rename it and name it Chrome 1. You need to press enter. Now it's done now, and now let's try to open it now. Since this is a new one, so this will be deleted from here, and I'm going to create this as a new one. Right click, show more task and send to desktop. Now shortcut will be created as one here. Double click on this and it is not opening even. So you can just name it from here. And this is itself not coming up guys when I try to open it, but it is not working. So now what we can do is we need to go back once again and right click on the Chrome and rename it to old like this, and now try to launch the Google Chrome. Yes. So Google Chrome is still not opening guys. Chrome, and seems like it is not present in the system. Go to add and remove program, and you need to look for Chrome here. Search Chrome. Okay. So Google Chrome is showing up here, but still it is not opening. You need to press Windows plus R button together and type here percentage local app data and hit OK. Now go to Google, double click on that and Chrome. This is the user data you have, so you can delete this Chrome folder from here. And now let's try to launch the Google Chrome again. Okay, if it is still not working, So last solution is to reinstall the Google Chrome. Open add and review programs, then click on here and simply uninstall it. And seems like it is not present here. fviz.cpl. Now it's removed successfully from here. Now if you have another browser like Firefox, let me delete it also, or the Edge is by default on your Windows, type here download Chrome and go to this link, official link. Just click on download Chrome and you need to run this exe. And basically we are going to reinstall the Google Chrome on our system, and this will fix your issue now if nothing is working for you as mine. Now you can see Google Chrome is launched successfully. So I hope guys your issue is also fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.